Are you ready to unlock the secret to gaining mass with vegetables? This video uncovers the 10 high-protein vegetables crucial for gaining mass. Get ready to discover the secret behind plant-based muscle building as we delve into each vegetable's protein content, benefits, and how to incorporate them into your diet. Watch now and supercharge your gains with these powerful plant-based foods. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you never miss an update from our channel. We'll share more valuable nutrition, fitness, and muscle building content. Join our community and start your journey towards a healthier, stronger you today. 1. Spinach. Spinach is not only packed with essential nutrients but is also an excellent source of protein. With approximately 2 grams of protein per cup, spinach is a must-have vegetable for anyone looking to gain mass. Additionally, spinach is rich in iron, which supports muscle growth and recovery. To incorporate spinach into your diet, try making delicious spinach smoothies by blending it with fruits, yogurt, and a protein powder of your choice. You can also enjoy it in salads or sautéed as a side dish. 2. Lentils. Lentils are incredibly versatile and offer an impressive amount of protein and fiber. With approximately 18 grams of protein per cooked cup, lentils are a powerhouse for muscle building. They are also packed with essential minerals and vitamins. Embrace the variety of lentils by preparing nourishing lentil soups, hearty stews, or flavorful curries. The possibilities are endless, and lentils can easily be incorporated into your daily meals. 3. Quinoa. Quinoa stands out among other grains due to its complete protein profile, containing all 9 essential amino acids. With approximately 8 grams of protein per cooked cup, quinoa is an excellent choice for muscle growth. Cooking quinoa is simple, and it can be used as a base for nutritious salads, flavorful stir-fries, or filling Buddha bowls. Don't forget to rinse quinoa thoroughly before cooking to remove any bitterness. 4. Broccoli. Broccoli is not only a great source of vitamins and minerals but also contains a fair amount of protein. With approximately 3 grams of protein per cup, broccoli offers an array of health benefits. It is rich in vitamin C, which aids in collagen production for muscle repair. To enjoy the protein and other nutrients in broccoli, try roasting it with a drizzle of olive oil, preparing stir-fried broccoli with tofu for a protein-packed meal, or savoring a comforting bowl of broccoli soup. 5. Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are a nutritional powerhouse, providing protein, vitamins, and antioxidants. With approximately 3 grams of protein per cup, they are an excellent addition to a muscle-building diet. Brussels sprouts are rich in vitamins C and K, as well as antioxidants that support overall health. To savor their flavor and benefits, try roasting Brussels sprouts until they become crispy, preparing a shaved Brussels sprout salad with a tangy dressing, or sautéing them with garlic for a delicious side dish. 6. Edamame. Edamame, young soybeans, are not only tasty but also a great source of plant-based protein. With approximately 17 grams of protein per cooked cup, edamame provides a substantial protein boost for muscle growth. They are also rich in fiber, which aids digestion and promotes satiety. Enjoy the versatility of edamame by making creamy edamame hummus, adding them to stir-fries for a protein-packed meal, or tossing them into a refreshing edamame salad. 7. Chickpeas. Chickpeas, also known as garbanzo beans, are a fantastic plant-based protein and fiber source. With approximately 15 grams of protein and 12 grams of fiber per cooked cup, chickpeas are a muscle-building powerhouse. They are also rich in essential minerals such as iron and folate. Get creative with chickpeas by preparing flavorful chickpea curry, roasting them for a crunchy and satisfying snack, or making creamy hummus for a nutritious dip. 8. Green peas. Green peas may be small, but they are packed with protein and fiber. With approximately 8 grams of protein and 8 grams of fiber per cooked cup, green peas contribute to muscle growth and promote digestive health. They are also rich in vitamins A and C, which support a strong immune system. Enjoy the sweetness of green peas by making a comforting pea soup, tossing them into a refreshing pea salad, or incorporating them into a creamy pea risotto. 9. Asparagus. Asparagus is not only a delicious vegetable but also a source of protein and essential nutrients. With approximately 4 grams of protein per cup, asparagus offers numerous health benefits. It is rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and potassium. To savor the protein and other nutrients in asparagus, try grilling it until it becomes tender and slightly charred, roasting it with a squeeze of lemon for a zesty twist, or sautéing it with your favorite seasonings for a quick and nutritious stir-fry. 10. Artichokes. Artichokes are a delightful addition to your muscle-building diet, providing both protein and dietary fiber. With approximately 4 grams of protein and 7 grams of fiber per cooked medium-sized artichoke, they contribute to satiety and digestive health. Artichokes are also rich in antioxidants and minerals. Enjoy the unique flavor of artichokes by grilling them until they become tender and slightly charred, preparing a creamy artichoke dip for a tasty appetizer, or incorporating them into a flavorful artichoke pasta dish. Remember, incorporating these high-protein vegetables into your diet can support your muscle-building goals and provide numerous health benefits. Experiment with different recipes and find the ones that suit your taste preferences and dietary needs. Remember to leave a comment below with your thoughts and any questions you have about gaining mass with high-protein vegetables. And don't forget to visit our website at www.healthinessonline.com. It's packed with additional tips, recipes, and resources to support your muscle-building journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Check the description down below for more information, and more content videos or you can watch. Check out this video on the unbelievable results from these 13 foods, or maybe you want to boost your immunity, you can watch this video on 15 foods that will help you unbelievably boost your immunity.